Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today for sale, we have a spacious 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with ample land space and a variety of fruit trees. The land area of this house is approximately 15,594 square feet. House is close to the town of Mandeville, but away from the hustle and bustle. It is also conveniently located near Northern Caribbean University. Guys, it's time to take a quick look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.